Hi guys, this is Anne. I just have this nice, simple, less than a minute to make a dessert. Call it a dessert or a snack that I found out when where you find yourself like you want to eat something and you don't have all the ingredients you need to make a proper cake, or you call it a cheesecake or whatever kind of cake you want to make, and then you find out you have two simple ingredients, you put them together and it's magic. So watch this. I made it long time ago and I still make it sometimes when you're short on cash and everything. I wonder if any of you would guess what it is. So alright, watch the video. 5 almonds, 3 dates. Watch, I'm going to just pit the dates, show you when it's done. Okay, pitted dates. Okay, look. Would you know those are dates with almonds inside? That was a neat trick I discovered. Just so simple. Almonds in dates. Let me take a bite. Ah, enjoy.